Welcome back. এতিয়া আমি uniform circular motion or second part to sum where we shall be deriving the formula for acceleration of a body in circular motion. For the time being আমি assume কৰি লওঁ কি যে এই বডিটো uniform circular motion নাই কৰা, circular motion এ কৰি আছে. That means the velocity is not constant, it is variable. Velocity magnitude to vary কৰি আছে আৰু direction to vary কৰি আছে. Velocity variable uniform circular motion তো আছিল. At that time the magnitude was constant but the direction was constantly varying. But now let us assume for the sake of convenience that both the magnitude as well as the direction are varying. So এতিয়া আমি কি পালো যে velocity equal to কি আছিল আমাৰ omega cross r from our discussion in the previous sections. So velocity equal to omega cross r, omega কি আছিল angular velocity, r কি আছিল radius vector. If we differentiate it আমি কি পাম dv upon dt equal to etu differentiate korle ki hobo differentiation of first variable with respect to time cross r plus first variable into differentiation of second variable upon dt. Okay, now dv by dt ki hoy jay acceleration, this is acceleration. d omega by dt ki hoy jabo angular acceleration, that is alpha cross r plus omega cross dr by dt ki hobo d, r was the position vector, this is r, this vector is r, center or pora circle to circumference gole ami r pa. So this r is position to change with respect to time korle velocity ahe. So this is our linear velocity. A formula to both important hoy, you have to remember this. From this formula itself we can find out what is the direction of each of the resultant vectors. Etu eta vector hoy, etu eta vector hoy, and this vector is the sum of these two vectors. Etia jodi moi kom if the motion is now uniform motion hoy, uniform motion hole ki hoy jabo a part to 0 hoy. tar mane for uniform circular motion this is equal to 0. Etu ki hoy angular acceleration to 0 hoy. Jodi angular acceleration 0 hoy then the net acceleration is given by omega cross v aru etur magnitude to ahe omega v or omega ki hoy omega is v by r, so v square by r. Etu hoy amar centripetal acceleration. Okay, so that is how we come up with centripetal acceleration. Ite a acceleration to ki hoy, this is the tangential acceleration. তাহলে centripetal acceleration যদি এনেকে কাম কৰি থাকে tangential acceleration এনেকে কাম কৰি থাকে. This is how tangential acceleration acts. This part, the first part of the expression, this is tangential acceleration and this is centripetal acceleration. So tangential acceleration এনেকে কাম কৰে at আৰু centripetal acceleration এনেকে কাম কৰে. এই দুটা resultant মিলি আমি net acceleration of a body in circular motion পাম. Understood? এটা এটো ইউনিফর্ম হ'ব হলে কি হ'ব লাগিব জাস্ট আলফা টুক 0 পুট কৰি দিম, আলফা 0 পুট কৰি দিলে only this part is left. তো ইউনিফর্ম সার্কুলার মোশনত কি হয় tangential acceleration to না থাকে. Okay, and the only acceleration acting on the body is that of the centripetal acceleration. Am I clear? Okay, thank you.